Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are playing a rapid fire nursing Q&A session, or you can say Q&A game. So get ready to test your nursing knowledge with us. Our first question is your favorite nursing specialty.
OT nurse.
Pediatric nurse.
Psychiatric nurse. Second question is coffee or tea.
Tea.
Coffee.
Tea. But during exam time we all prefer coffee because we have to stay up late at night. Most used nursing app.
Not specifically nursing app, but ChatGPT.
SlideShare.
ChatGPT. Favorite way to relax after a long shift.
A good nap.
Reading a good novel.
Taking shower. Nursing school struggles.
Uh, बोलो ना. क्यों we have to stand for long hours. Okay.
Assignments.
Sleep deprived. The toughest nursing skill.
Skill. त्यो skill त के हुन्छ त्यहाँनिर पनि लगायो इङ्ग्लिसमा हुन्छ catheterization.
I know, like फर्स्टमा तिमीलाई लगाउँदा के साह्रो पर्यो. अब त अहिले त like we know most of the skills. तर फर्स्टमा तिमीले ट्राई गर्दै what was the toughest skill?
IV cannula होला हौ.
Canalization.
Mine is dressing because I'm scared of wounds. I might hurt patient. I feel like that, so I'm scared of doing dressing. So the most easiest one, this one is so the first step in nursing process.
Assessment.
Normal range of BP.
120 to 80 mmHg.
Okay. Signs of dehydration. Thirst and decreased urine output and dry mouth.
Okay.
Okay. So medical term for fever.
Pyrexia.
Medical term for low blood pressure.
Hypotension. Hypotension. होइन न हाइपो चाहिँ भयो कि बिचको त बिर्सेन न फेरि हाइपोटेन्सन है याद है नि त.
Term for decreased heart rate. It's bradycardia. So tell me what AMBUBAC stands for.
Artificial manual breathing unit.
PABC.
Temperature, breathing, circulation.
Yours is for CABG. It's coronary artery bypass graft.
Okay.
So this one is like kind of interesting one, and that is the best nursing advice you have ever received. Like it could be from from your seniors, family, or patient, whatever.
अलिक टाढो राख त. The best nursing advice I have received so far is like when I was in first year and I was posted in one hospital. There I came across one patient. So at first I was hesitant to like administer some medications, no, because I was scared that I might hurt them. So that time he said me like not to hesitate, and if you continue to hesitate then we won't be able to learn more or practice more, no. So I guess in nursing it is more about practical rather than theory. So if we hesitate to do practical, then I guess we won't be learning good skill. So do not hesitate, but try your best.
Okay, what was the best advice that you have received?
Do not panic. And it means in any situation we should not be panic, we should be calm and do properly.
For me, it is you have to be mentally strong before entering into nursing school, and do not hesitate to learn new skills, and you have to adjust a lot because here you are staying in hostel and you have to mingle with so many people around. So you cannot think of yourself every time. You have to think about others as well. So you have to be adjustable. Very nice.